There has never been a higher demand for court reporters in the last 25 years, not only in the Midwest, but all across America.
With more retirements than new hires, the demand continues to climb. There are thousands of openings across the country.
The state agency that certifies court reporters says there's been a 20% decrease in the last 12 years.
There are 77 courthouses in the state of Oklahoma that are in need of court reporters. Right now, we only have one court reporter for 5 judges. Ideally, we would have one court reporter for each judge. That's the way it is in other areas of Oklahoma, and we need more court reporters. That's the story all across rural Oklahoma. If you're looking for a new profession, you can go to court reporting school and there'll be a job available for you in the state of Oklahoma.
At the Oklahoma College of Court Reporting, Larry Narvez has been working hard for nearly 30 years to train court reporters as they begin their new careers in the legal or captioning field.
In my first year out of court reporting school, I made $70,000. That's entry level, right? So then every year after that, you have just exponential opportunity to go up in salary. It really depends on your personal pace and your drive, but that was a huge draw.
With the flexibility of court reporting, you can choose your own hours, work from home or from an office, and live anywhere in the United States. And unlike a 4-year college, the educational requirements for becoming a court reporter only requires, on average, 2 years of training. Court reporters are known as guardians of the record because of their role within the judicial process by capturing the spoken word during a court or deposition proceeding using a secret language called steno, an abbreviated keyboard designed for fastest and accurate word capturing.
Court reporting is a crazy cool language, and I had a little bit of a leg up because I do speak French, and your brain is already used to decoding.
At OCCR, students will be working with experienced and passionate instructors one-on-one as they learn the theory of steno language. Upon completion of theory, they will be applying their new skill in a speed building class daily. Speed building is a self-paced program allowing each student the opportunity to get to the state test in less than a year.
I passed the Oklahoma CSR and went to work right away. I think my first day was the 21st, and I passed the test like the 13th. And the only reason I didn't work on the 14th was because I was out of town. It was like they were waiting for me to finish. Like, all right, so you finished? Did you pass? And you will have a job anywhere, and you will be getting 20 calls with jobs available. It can mean you can move at the last minute, like I did. I moved to Philadelphia like that. I got an exclusive offer to work here with a company. I think every court reporting student has a moment where they hit a plateau of I can't go any faster, and they need an outside source, maybe that's not a family member, that's not even a friend, to say, you can do this. And for me, that was Larry. And he was such a support the entire time. He was so passionate, and he does it for everyone to say, listen, I know you're going through this and this speed is hard, but you can do this. And that made all the difference. He knows what to do and what gets people graduated. He has a host of graduates that he could point to and say, this is where she's at in her career, this is what he's done with his career. His school does a great job of preparing you for whatever you want to do with court reporting, whether that's being an official with a judge in a courtroom or whether that's being freelance like I chose to do. He is always a call away. Larry is very accommodating to your situation and what you need. He gives you every option to cater to you so that you will get out of the school as fast as you can. Going to a school where the owner also has a court reporting firm in the same city the school is in, I think is an incredible opportunity to just say, I have a job lined up. Larry's school made it possible for me to afford it, and without Oklahoma College of Court Reporting, I wouldn't be where I am today, and especially without Larry and his character and his push and his belief in me.